3D printers bring designs to life, lifting them off the page and turning them into tangible objects. Now, this is a real advantage if you're an architect. Creating a 3D model helps your client to realize even complex designs. 3D models have a strong, tangible impact and can impress your clients in a way that drawing simply cannot. All of this means that you can get the deal done faster. Happy days, right? And having your own 3D printer allows you to create models in-house, which saves you time and money because outsourcing 3D models can be very expensive. For more information about procuring the right type of 3D printer for your business, as well as keeping it maintained, please visit ni3dprint.co.uk.